Hello everyone, let's learn how to get GTA filter on TikTok. GTA filter now is a trending filter on TikTok and Instagram Reels videos, so if you want a recording video like that, and you don't know how, you are in right place. Just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open TikTok app on your device. After that, you need to click on Discover button in bottom of the screen. Then you need to go on search bar and go to type GTA filter. Next, click on this first one, GTA filter, to open it. Now you can see a lot videos of this theme, and then to open this filter, click on this red button, use this effect. Next, you need to recording a video of minimum 15 seconds to make this filter working, and go to upload this video, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.